Hey crypto fans, thanks for joining me here on Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to give you my realistic long-term price prediction for the EOS token. And as always guys, hey, if you enjoy the content that I create, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up, because why not, right? And also guys, hey, feel free to go ahead and follow me on Twitter here as well with the link in the video description down below. I like to talk about NFTs and altcoins on a daily basis, so if you're into that sort of thing, hey, go ahead, give me a follow. All right guys, so for those of you who are new to these kind of videos or these price prediction videos that I have, these videos are mainly made for people who are long-term holders, okay? Now, when I say long-term, I'm not talking 6 to 12 months. I'm talking 3, 5+ years, okay? 5+ years at least. I'm a long-term holder myself. I've been holding on to various coins for about 5 years now, and I don't plan to sell for a very long time. I don't need money for anything, so I'm not selling for quite a while. This is a retirement option for me, so there's no point in selling anything. All right, guys. So we are going to look and see what a potential good price point would be for EOS. Now, as we can see, you guys, EOS is currently ranked at number 44 on CoinMarketCap. And the thing is here, you guys, is we could do technical analysis and see, where it could be technical analysis, but you really can't see where or get a general overall idea of a good number as to where the price could be in 5+ years or so. You can get an overall idea of where the trend is going to go, obviously up or down or whatnot, but you can't really tell where it's going to go number-wise. So I'm going to show you how I do things and how I've been doing things for quite a while now, and it's worked out perfectly. So currently, guys, EOS is currently priced at, or it's trading at $4.74 at the time of filming right now anyway. It's got a market cap of $4.5 billion and a circulating supply of 962 million, okay? And it's clearly one of those projects that is definitely, it really hasn't done much. Last time it had its all-time high was during the late 2017, early 2018 bull run, and it went to an all-time high of $22.89. Okay, now I believe it can go a lot higher than that. Let's see here. When it went that high, so 22.89 times 962, 774, 399. It had roughly a market cap of roughly $22 billion, which back then, you guys, 4 years ago in 2018, I mean, back then that was a pretty high market cap for any coin. It was pretty high. Now, I personally believe, in my personal opinion, you guys, I think, in 5 years or so, 5+ years, I think EOS definitely, on a long-term perspective, I think EOS has a potential of getting up to at least a $50 billion market cap at some point in time. Now, before you guys freak out and think, no, that's not going to happen, think about it, guys. I mean, there's going to be more and more money being put into these markets on a daily basis for the next 5 years. And that's just how it is with crypto. I mean, that's exactly how it works. I mean, more and more money gets put into it. I mean, market cap levels have been rising more and more every single year for the past, 10 years already. And they're just going to continue keep rising. So to say that EOS can potentially get to a $50 billion market cap someday, I don't feel like that's out of reach whatsoever. So we're going to see where the price could potentially be if it went to a $50 billion market cap. Again, this is for long-term holders, not day traders, not swing traders. All right, guys, so we are going to take this number and we are going to, I'll just type it out. So 962, 774, 399, and we're going to multiply it by, wait, what was the all-time high again? The all-time high already was 2289, so clearly it's going to go higher than that. So we're going to multiply it by $40, okay? Multiply it by $40. We're going to come out with a market cap of $38.5 billion. I personally think it can go, about $11.5 billion higher than that, so clearly we're going to go a little higher. So we will put in that number again, 962, 774, 399. Multiply it by, let's try $50 now. Okay, this this is a number I'm comfortable at, okay? It's a nice, even number, and it's simple. I'm not the type of person where I'm going to be like, oh, $52.32 or some weird BS like that. But this is a more comfortable number for me. I mean, it's close enough to that 50 mark that I was looking for. So guys, at $50, I'm going to go ahead for my long-term price prediction here of $50 for, 5+ years from now, long-term holding. That would put it at a market cap of right around $48 billion, give or take. I mean, not exactly that number, but around there somewhere. So overall, I think it can get there. Now, let's see if you were to put money in there right now, because this is how I usually generally figure out if I'm going to put my own money into this coin or not, is to see what my potential return would be on it. So usually when I buy into a new coin, you guys, when I buy a long-term hold, I usually put in $10,000 at, for the very first large bag, okay? So we'll do $10,000. We'll divide that by the current price of $4.74. Just to make it simple, guys, we're just going to go with $4.75 just for, shits and giggles. So we're going to come out with 2,105 coins. So 2,105, and then we are going to multiply that by by $50. And we're going to come out with $105,250, guys. But it's going to be a little more than that because when you're a long-term holder, you guys, usually you're adding more every time the coin dips into a big, a bear market cycle or something like that. You're usually buying a little bit more and more into your long-term positions, as the coin dips as well. So, but, for the sake of the video, we're just going to say 105,250. But overall, guys, out of a $10,000 investment in 5+ years, maybe 7 years to get to this level, that's a very, very, very good return on your investment. And this is just one coin that you invested into for the long term. So that's a huge, that's a huge profit right there, with barely any risk whatsoever other than just buying and holding. So overall, guys, I think EOS is I think EOS is a great long-term hold coin, and I'm going to go ahead and stick it with there. So $50 for my long-term price prediction for EOS. All right, guys, so that pretty much does it for this video. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, hey, don't forget to follow me on Twitter with the link in the video description down below. And also, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a daily basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you all in my future or in my next video or chatting with me here on Twitter.